fast that I try to leave, like a mirage, like a mirage. The stars that you know like me, on my arms I am empty, like a mirage, like a mirage.
What is up, Hot Wheelers? I'm back. DCS right here is finally back. It's the weekend, guys. Everyone's chilling, enjoying their weekend, and I'm making my videos right here for you all, guys. So, yup, this time it's again the Hot Wheels series, and yup, I've got a cool car this time. It's got 5 out of 10 in HW Flames. It's none other than the custom 67 Pontiac Firebird, guys. I call this the hoodless car because it has no hood and the engine is quite open, but still it is so damn cool. Like, wow, it's nice. The muscle car is so damn cool. And before we go in depth to this cool flamed up car, we gotta talk about the last week's video. Well, the last week's video was, the electric car, the Tesla Model 3, which most of the car enthusiasts didn't like. So here it is, guys, the custom Pontiac. This time, it is a cool one, guys. So, last week there was no quick quiz, but the ratings was given for the Tesla Model 3, so it was quite good. Well, guys, it's time to go for it. The unboxing of this cool car. Let's see what's this car got. And before we go for the unboxing, guys, I just want to let you know I'm trying to prepare more of my quick quizzes, so don't let your hopes down. I'm gonna get the quick quiz back, guys. So, let's move on to the unboxing. So, you guys, here the Pontiac Firebird is out of the box, and the first thing I told was, wow, take a look at its color. It's so damn cool with the metallic blue. It is so cool, guys. I really love it. And the second thing was, it's got chrome. The engine, chrome. The wheels, chrome. The interior, chrome. It has got so much chrome that I've ever seen in any other Hot Wheel. And the open hood. You guys can identify that it's an LS engine. And it misses the front headlamp detailing and the borders. The sides of that headlamps and the grills should have been chrome, but they missed that too. And but it's still got the cool diffuser. As we move on to the sides, it has got the stock Hot Wheel wheels, and the front handle, the door handle of the car is quite chromed up, again, chrome. And the glass is transparent. I really love the flames of the car, guys. Amazing. And as we move on to the rear, you guys can see missing exhaust. It has no exhaust anywhere. I looked it. It wasn't there. And misses the tail lamp detailing too. And misses the side view mirrors too, guys. That's quite a bit disappointing, but still, this car's flames really stands out, guys. I really like the paint and the flames. So it's time for the information, guys. Let's move on. Okay, guys, so here we are once again to know something about this cool 67 Pontiac Firebird. So let's move on to the production again. So the production actually began in 1967 and it ended up in 1969 only for the first generation Pontiac Firebirds. While talking about the body style, guys, the body style is actually a two-door coupe. And moving to the engine, you already know it's an LS, but not the whole thing. So the engine is actually a 6.6 liter Pontiac LS V8. So let's move on to the transmission, guys. The transmission is actually a 2-speed automatic, or you can go for the 4-speed manual. So these are the options, guys. And if you go for the horsepower, this car packs up to 325 horsepower, guys, which is quite nice, not bad. And if you move on to the length, guys, the length of this car is actually 4,769 millimeters. Talking about the width is actually 1,844 millimeters, guys. Talking about the weight, the current weight of this car is 1,510 kilograms, which is a bit too heavy. Well, let's go for the second best part, guys. That's the 0 to 60 time. This car does it in 6.2 seconds, which is a bit too long for an accelerating muscle car. Well, let's talk about the top speed, guys. The top speed of this car is, again, disappointing. It's 120 miles per hour, which is 193.1 kilometers per hour. That's not even 200 kilometers per hour. Well, that's quite disappointing. Let's move on to the price, guys. The price is actually, it begins from $25,000 to around $45,000. Actually, some Firebirds are even ranging up to $75,000, guys. So, yep, the price is getting hype and hype. It's becoming more like a collector's car. So, yep, guys, it's time for the, special facts. Let's go for it. Let's see what's it got over here. Oh, this is a very small one. So, yup. Here it tells that the Firebird's rare slit taillights were inspired by the 1966 and the 1967 Pontiac GTO. Oh, so it was inspired by its own company car. So it wasn't quite of a special fact because I couldn't find more, interesting things. So I'm sorry, guys, that's not even a fact. Well, so yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's the end of my video, and give your ratings on this car's looks and, the information too, guys. Feel free to comment, and I'll see you all next week, guys. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend.